Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach playing Destiny without direct player interaction. Destiny is fundamentally an online-only experience, meaning a persistent internet connection is always necessary to access any part of the game. There is no true offline mode available. However, you can still enjoy many aspects of the game by yourself, focusing on solo content and private activities. We will explore these options in the upcoming slides. You can immerse yourself in Destiny's rich narrative by playing through all the main story campaigns and many expansion missions by yourself. These offer hours of content without needing a fire team. Additionally, exploring patrol zones, completing lost sectors, and participating in public events are all activities you can tackle solo. Remember, an internet connection is still required for all these experiences. For a more controlled environment, you can set up private matches in both the Crucible and Gambit. This allows you to explore maps, practice skills, or simply enjoy the space without other players. You can also visit social hubs like the Tower or Helm, often finding yourself alone if you load in at off-peak times. These activities provide a sense of solitude, but always remember the game's online requirement. To reiterate, Destiny is built from the ground up as an online multiplayer experience, and a persistent internet connection is non-negotiable for any activity. While you can certainly play many parts of the game solo, it is never truly offline. If your goal is a gaming experience that requires absolutely no internet, Destiny may not be the right fit. There are many fantastic games designed for complete offline enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.